We are here in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm staying outside of the new mega mall here in Bangkok, Thailand called the EmSphere. And the EmSphere actually has a designated floor, the third floor, for IKEA. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys the IKEA on the third floor. Also, they have some new menu items designated for people here in Thailand. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys their menu items as well as to show you guys a taste of Sweden here in Thailand. So let's go inside.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind when it gets late. I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret.
And here it is, a taste of Sweden. We have northern Thai curry with meatballs. We have the salmon with the mango salsa. And also we have the lingonberry yogurt smoothie. We're gonna try a couple different things here, so let's see what they got. First, you start with the desserts. We have some cheesecake. Oh, that cheesecake is really good. With the blueberry and raspberry. Yes. And they also have this regular cheesecake, New York cheesecake. They have some brownies. They have their almond cake. And also they have some salads here. They have smoked salmon, potato salad. They also have regular salad. And this is where you get the special menu items. Hi. Okay. Thank you. Oh, look at that. This looks awesome. Also the salmon. Also, can we get the masaman chicken leg? Great. Thank you. They have hot dogs here, sausage. Also looks like garlic bread there, as well as some vegetarian pizza. We have some spring rolls, chicken tulips. We got it. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this menu. This is such an awesome menu, and I've never seen anything like this before. They have the Khow Soy. This is a northern Thailand dish. It's really popular. Has a curry on there, as well as some noodles, egg noodles. And they have the Swedish meatballs as the protein for this Khow Soy. And look at the salmon. I think this is a steamed salmon with the mango salsa. We have Thai chilies on there, red onions, and tomatoes. And I believe they have that kind of like a fish sauce kind of sauce on here as well. On top of that, I didn't expect this. They have masaman curry, chicken leg here, guys. This looks so good. And of course, we had to get some cheesecake. This is, I believe, raspberry cheesecake along with some blueberries, maybe? It's a mix, I think. And then finally, we got the lingonberry yogurt smoothie. Oh, the smoothie looks amazing. Look at that. It has the lingonberry on the bottom there. All right, let's try this. Wow, that is such a good yogurt smoothie. I'm a fan of lingonberry, so that's a great way to have a smoothie. All right, I'm gonna start off with my favorite noodle dishes of northern Thailand, the Khow Soy. And they made the Khow Soy here with Swedish meatballs. The Khow Soy curry is so good. And also, Khow Soy, you get pickled mustard greens along with red onions, and basically just dump it in here, guys. Just like that. And then they have the lime, add a little bit of citrus to it. It's been a long time since we had Khow Soy, and now we have Khow Soy in IKEA. Also, this Khow Soy has the fried noodles as well. So go ahead and mix up some of the crunchy fried noodles in there. This is a great presentation. I love it how IKEA incorporated the Swedish meatballs with the Khow Soy. I'm gonna get a Swedish meatball here, a little bit of the mustard greens, a little bit of red onion, noodle, all in one bite here, guys. All right, here it is, first bite. Really good. It tastes like Khow Soy, and the flavor is really good. Love the citrus of the lime in there. The Swedish meatballs are a really good complement to the Khow Soy. Khow Soy I typically have with the chicken or the beef, so this reminds me of having Khow Soy with beef. Yeah, so if you guys don't know what Khow Soy is, actually it's a coconut curry. So a little hint of spice, but not much spice. And they have the curry and they add coconut milk to it as well. It's one of my favorite noodle dishes in Northern Thailand. But incorporate it here in IKEA, that's a great idea. And the meatballs. I love Swedish meatballs, so this is a really good blend. The IKEA here, the floor layout is very similar to that of the United States. So it's like you're basically walking and you never know you're here in Thailand versus that of the United States when it comes to IKEA. But the one drawback is the fact that they don't have shortcuts here. So we have to walk all the way through, halfway through the store to get to the cafe. Where, you know, in the United States, you can basically cut by and go right to the cafe or the restaurants. And, you know, we're not even shopping. We just want to go to the restaurant. So they have it set up where if you want to eat, you have to at least go through half of the displays, which is really funny. So we forgot to bring our IKEA member card. So the pricing below right now is actually going to be the price for non-members. But if you're a member, Khow Soy is 99 baht. So that's a great deal. All right, next is the salmon. Oh man, the salmon looks really good, guys. We have some salmon. Also, we have some mango. Look at these chilies. They actually have the chilies on there. Looks like fire. We'll see how spicy they are. Wow, that is good. Very clean, it's really good salmon flavor. Thai chili is not that spicy. A little hint of sweetness from the mango. Wow, that's really good. A little bit of citrus on their salmon. We have the onion, we have the chili, mangoes. There we go, guys. Such a refreshing salmon. Really light, very delicate, and the salmon is so tender and so good. You guys are a big fan of salmon. This is one you want to try. I'll try with the cherry tomato. Seriously, I've tried the salmon here, just the plain salmon, but having these flavors on here, it really elevates the salmon flavor. It also makes it a little bit more a blend of, I guess, Thai flavors. So if you're familiar with Thai food, you may have heard of samtam, which is a papaya salad. And this sauce here is actually a similar sauce to papaya salad. It has the fish sauce with some of the, I think, sugar, maybe sweeten it up a little bit. Also, I believe they add a little bit of citrus to it, like a lime. So yeah, this is the same sauce they use. Oh, that's really good sauce. Yeah, so if you guys have tried samtam before, you'll be familiar with this sauce. You have something spicy? Just yogurt drink. Really refreshing. Ooh, that's good. All right, next is the masaman curry with chicken leg. This looks so good, guys. I'm so excited to try this. I love masaman curry, so when I saw this on the menu, I was like, I have to get this. This looks like a great curry sauce. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that chicken. There we go. That's spot on. Masaman curry has a little bit of sweetness too as well. Not much of spice, but the flavor is so good. If I can recommend one curry for you guys to try here that I think you'll enjoy, it's masaman curry. Get it with some chicken and a little bit of rice. Oh, it's just a great flavor, great curry for everyone to try. Yeah, so if you guys watched my Terminal 21 episode, you'll see I had a masaman curry there as well, so go check out that episode. But this masaman curry, really good masaman curry too. So I'm not familiar with how many IKEAs out there throughout the world, so if you guys have IKEA where you live, is there anything different on the menu that I'm not familiar with? And we didn't get it, but here they also have fried chicken. They also have fish and chips here in the menu. So they have different things as well that I've never tried, but I just want to try the Thai specialty items here because it's only for a limited time. So we're down by the register, and the little restaurant there by the register, they had bacon wrapped hot dogs. And we haven't been in the States in a long time, so if you guys are from the States and go to IKEA, do they have the hot dogs wrapped in bacon there? Just curious if they have that on the menu there. Everything I'm eating here today, I thought for sure I was gonna say that Khow Soy was gonna be my favorite meal on the plate here, but this masaman sauce they use for this chicken, oh, it's so good. So I think this is my favorite meal of the day. Also, chicken's super tender too. You got the leg and thigh. Oh, they have the chunks of berries at the bottom. Oh, it's reminds me of having boba, but having berries. There it is, guys. Cheesecake. It's been ages since I had cheesecake. Mm. Wow, that is so good. Really delicate cheesecake. Wow, and the berries on there. That's a winner. Also, I've noticed on the menu here, I didn't get it, but they have a little plant-based pork. Like it looks like deep fried pork, right? But at the same time, if you're a vegetarian, there's something else you can try here at IKEA. But the EmSphere Mall, really beautiful mall. Oh my goodness, there's so much greenery around the outside, also inside. Of course, it's brand new, so the mall itself, amazing mall. So I heard there's actually a food court here in the EmSphere as well. So if you guys want me to do an episode in the EmSphere, leave a comment below, let me know. I'll be sure to come back and try it out. I never imagined having such a really great menu of Thai foods here in IKEA. The flavors were spot on, and yeah, I'm really pleased with the menu. All right, guys, we smashed it. We ate everything, and it was all good. IKEA did a wonderful job on all this food. The Khow Soy, the masaman sauce, and the samtam sauce here for the salmon. I couldn't have been more happy with the flavors here. So, thumbs up to IKEA. So, if you like today's video, guys, be sure to smash that like button. And always, guys, appreciate your support. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you back in this video. Bye-bye.